Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Lords Mobile via email. If you're facing issues in Lords Mobile such as lost progress, account recovery, in-game bugs, or any other problems, here's how you can reach out to their official email support team. First of all, open up your email app or service on your mobile device. I'm just going to open up Gmail. Now click on the Compose button in order to compose a new mail. Go to the To tab and type in support@igg.com. Now, in the subject field, write down a clear subject line. After you do that, describe your problem in detail in the Compose email box. You can write down and include your IGG ID, your account name, the device you are using, and a clear explanation of the issue. You can also attach screenshots if relevant. After you have typed in your message, you can tap on the airplane icon at the top right to send in the message. And right after you do that, IGG usually replies within 24 to 72 hours. Keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder. So that is how you can reach out to Lords Mobile support via email. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.